OK. Next command is sweep. In graphic window we have 3 open sketch entities. See it? OK. Now run the command and then select one of open curves as trajectory. For example, select this one. In Reference tab, Trajectories, you can see your selected curve. OK. Now click on this icon. Create or edit the sweep section. Now you are in sketch environment automatically. OK. It's very good. Draw a simple section, for example a circle, and OK the sketch environment. Now you can see the sweep preview. Rotate the model and see it carefully. OK. It's very good. Change the type to surface mode, and see the new sweep result. Try to do it and complete the job. Also use the Create Thin feature icon and do it, and see the new shape of section in sweep shape. These parameters are repetitious and no need to be explained again. Test it yourself more and more. OK. Now select other curve as trajectory, and test these parameters on it. Very good. Now we have a closed trajectory. Again run the sweep command, and make a section for it. OK. Try to do it and complete the job. Create a simple section, for example a rectangle, and you can see it. This is very important and useful command. Now cancel it and in Model Tree, right-click on Extrude 1. And select Include. Again run the sweep command, and this time cut this sweep and see the results. Next command is helical sweep. We have a line and a center line. Now OK the sketch and in ribbon. Find and run the helical sweep command, then click and select the line. Now click on this icon. To create section, and in sketch environment draw a simple sketch, for example a circle. Very good. And OK the sketch. Now you can see the result in preview. Also change the pitch value. OK. Test it by different values and see the results. OK. Very good. OK. Now we want to create a cut helical sweep. We have a cylinder that modeled before. OK. Very good. Find and run the volume helical sweep command from ribbon, in Reference tab, Helix Sweep Profile. Click Define icon, select top plane, and then enter the sketch environment. OK, it's very good. Then draw a simple line, do it and complete the job. Now OK the sketch and finish it. OK, very good. Again in Reference tab, Helix Axis, select axis of 3D cylindrical body, do it and complete the job. Now in Section tab, click Create or edit the section icon. As you see again you are in sketch environment. Adjust U view and then, draw your desired section. It must be closed profile. OK, it's very good. Try to do it and complete the job. Create the closed section and finish the job. OK, it's very good. OK the sketch and exit. Now you can see the result preview. If necessary change the pitch value. Or use the right hand or left hand icons. OK, it's very good.